quality service today, plumbing out of Mebane, North Carolina. Real quick, I wanted to go over a little quick homeowner kind of tip. If you're getting a hot water bill or you feel like your water usage is a little high, one thing you can do is a toilet dye test. You can get standard food coloring from your local grocery store. This works great for just to check and make sure that you're not wasting water. It can get expensive. A typical fluid master fill valve, like the one you're going to see in this toilet here, just in one night can run 2,500 gallons if the flapper gets stuck wide open. So it's good to keep your toilets running and operating properly. And you can do a standard dye test. We typically do this dye test in a lot of homes. It's just a courtesy. Make sure homeowners aren't wasting money on water that they didn't know about. I'm going to show you how to do that dye test. So we're actually going to use a leak detection tablet. Like I said, you can use food coloring. We're just going to take this tablet and I'm going to crush it here inside. You got to be careful with this stuff. Sometimes you want to use rubber gloves. We're going to take that and we're going to dump it in the toilet. And we want to make sure that the water level is not exceeding the overflow here, because if you exceed the overflow, we're going to take this and we're going to mix it up real good. Basically, we're dyeing all that water green. And usually you want to give it about 15 minutes to let it sit. And you just don't want to pull the handle. You don't want the dye to reach down into the bowl. And we'll see. Give it about 15 minutes and see if it shows up in there. So if you have a leak, it'll look like just a little bit of fog coming out, running around the edges. This toilet here, it's not leaking. Once you get done with everything, you can just flush the blue out. So see that blue? So the worse it's leaking, it'll be more blue or green, whatever color food coloring you use. Green and blue work the best. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this little tip on how to dye test toilets helps you out. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for me. Definitely appreciate it. You'll get more notifications. I'm trying to get as many videos out there as I can of little homeowner tips and educate people coming up in the trade to help them out.